My story goes back a long time ago. When I was 15 years old, I actually had back pain and I was treated at our clinic. I had a lot of success with that. You know, I've had some other sports injuries and it kind of got me into the athletic training field. We're really big on patient education. So first of all, I want the patient to know exactly what's going on with them. I want them to know exactly what I'm going to do for them and with them. And then I'm going to let them know exactly what I expect of them. So it's a partnership. So we take them through, we show them on a model, whether it's a spine or a knee or a shoulder or something like that. And we say, this is what's going on. Now here's what I'm going to do. And I'm going to get these things moving and we're going to balance out these muscles or this joint. And then here's what you're going to do. And you know, really when people are educated well, they're empowered and they feel, I mean, the fear is gone. We provide a free consultation to anybody who wants. I've got an issue, hey, come on in, we'll take a look at you. We'll tell you what's going on, and if it's appropriate for you to have physical therapy, we'll tell you what we would do. If we don't feel it's appropriate and maybe you should follow up with another medical professional, we'll recommend that as well. We have what we call the WOW philosophy, which literally means when that person, from the time they walk into the clinic and see our patient care coordinators to the time where they walk out after treatment, we want them to be able to walk out of the clinic and say, wow, I've never been treated like that in the medical field. So I'd really recommend people to be consumers, just like you would. If you're going to buy a car, take a look at it, you know. That car you're going to drive for, you know, a set number of years. What about your body? You know, you're going to be taking care of that the whole rest of your life. So you want to make sure that you're entrusting it to good people.